Well, hi everybody. This is the stay-at-home grandma and what I got in the mail today. Let me tell you. Now this looks nice, doesn't it? This is, I have a pill holder, but I need to get another one. I needed to get another one. When I saw this, I asked to review this, and this is a pill holder. Let me check this out. It's morning, noon, evening, and bedtime. And they're all color-coded and everything, and I thought that was really nice because, and it's stuff seniors need. That's what it says on there. See if you can see it. That sign right there, right here. That's what it says, stuff seniors need. And I don't take a lot of pills, but I do take a lot of vitamins, so I thought that this was really good. I have another one, but I'll clean that up. So I thought that was good. It shows you how to use it and everything. So I thought that was very good. I like it. It's adorable, actually. Then I got this for my bathroom. Oh, because the other one, I don't know. I'm not even gonna say it. I just want to open it up and see what's in it. It's as the one of the YouTubers say, "Let's see what's inside." That's something my granddaughter watches, and I can't help it. Whenever it comes on, I get so tickled. So this right here is, I'm gonna hook up the towels, the extra towels. This is what it's gonna do. Let me see if I can turn this around. And then it has, I guess it's the paper that sticks to it. I don't even know what the whole thing is. But what I'll do is when I put it up, I'll take a picture of it. Or maybe I'll let you all watch me because I've got to work on my vanity. I picked out the lights for the mirror, I think. I got 2 lights. Maybe you'll help me figure that out too. So anyway, that's that. And then, no, and I'm not a hippie. Well, in the scheme of things. But these are incense, and there is, these are Saraya Namaskar chakra incense, and in it are a pack of 6. I'm going to open it and see what's inside, because I like to have my house smelling really, really good, and so I have diffusers around and all kinds of things. And I don't have plug-in products because I just don't. Well, that smells good already, even though there's no opening the box. I'm not opening it. I got it. Oh, so there's the 6. So there's 6. Let me see what they are. So the yellow is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's different kinds. So let's see what they are. You don't mind, do you? So this is chakra, and this is chakra, and it's that's all it says. On this one anyway. The yellow one, let me hold it over here so you can see it. The yellow one. But they smell nice and clean. But some of those incense, you know, but I said I would try them. And they do smell clean. And then these are yoga. These are for your yoga. Although I do yoga, I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, so those are the green ones. And these are the purple ones. And these are pasta unanas. I have no idea. Well, I know it smells good. That's all I care about. And then get an orange one. These are, oh, I can't even pronounce this word, but these are the orange ones. They smell good too. And these are the pink ones. It doesn't really have any, unless it's, it doesn't really have a real name, but that smells nice. This smells like roses. Then the last one is the blue one. So I'm gonna burn one and see what it smells like later. We'll burn one together. I just don't want to do it right now. And then I got the pest repellent, ultrasound. I don't have too many bugs in here. I have like one fly or two, and then that's about it. But these are the little pest repellent bugs for the bugs. So I got 2 of these. I don't like bugs. They don't like me either. And I don't care. Then I got, and we'll put these away. These are the squishies. This is, oh, it's in a zipper bag so I can put it back anything. I'm putting these away. I told you I'm starting for Christmas. So this is one squishy. Isn't it cute? He's so stinking cute. And so I'm going to put him in the bag. And I'll show you the other squishy. And I'll put these up. Like I said, Christmas, the way it's going. And then here's the other one. Oh, he's cute too. Oh, isn't he cute? My 2 youngest granddaughters, they love them. I don't know whether my older 2 granddaughters like them or not. I have to ask and find out. Because I'll get some more. So that's that. Then I got some Ceylon cinnamon. I take that because I don't have diabetes and I don't want it, so I take cinnamon. Then every time I see lavender, I order. I got some lavender. I'm going to make some lavender lemonade. I think that would be nice. I have a lot of lavender, but I love lavender. I love lavender tea. I love lavender skincare. I love lavender bubble bath. I just love lavender. And then I got this brush, the bamboo brush for my granddaughter. So I thought that she'd like that. It's called Bam Wonder. So that's a good brush. It's bamboo. Then, so I'm running around the house, and I'm always wondering because we changed providers on our, we have Dish Network, so their component doesn't tell time, like Verizon's did. So I decided I'll put a clock in my room. I've never had a clock in my room before. I'll put one in there now. So this is what I got. I thought that was cute. Now you know me. So you know that I'm going to do something with it. I don't know what yet, but I'm going to do something. We'll think of something to fix it up. There you go. So that's my cross for my room. And it can either hang on the wall, by the way, or it can sit on something. And it's a quartz, so that's good. Okay, and then then I got foot therapy for fungal nails. I have dancer's toenails. Well, my two big toenails. And they're kind of yellowish and stuff, so I got this, and I'm going to use this and see what happens. I've used other things before, and they've been okay, but this one's recommended for diabetics, and although I'm not diabetic, that would still be good for me. So, that's what I got in the mail today. Oh, I love you. Have a happy 4th. Oh, and by the way, for the giveaway, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Put an enter me, okay? And that's pretty much it. Also, if you're just subscribing, make sure that you keep coming back so that I can see that you're coming back, and comment too, by the way, because I'm going to, I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm going to probably use the prize section that everybody else uses. So make sure that you, number one, like, share, and subscribe, leave comments, and come back often, okay? It's not till the end of July. The last week in July is when, and it's a mystery box. So a lot of this stuff that I get, you will be getting. You know what I mean? Like tapestry, those kinds of things. You know, you'll get a lot of those things that I get. So it'll be a pretty big box. I'll show you the size box next time I come on. Not today, but tomorrow. Okay. Well, I love you. Take care. God bless. Have a happy 4th. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. But then again, I don't do much, so, I mean, I do a lot, but I don't do much. No fireworks. You know, just be very careful. I love you, take care, God bless, and bye-bye.